Welcome to this updated tutorial on how to make only your friends see your birthday on Facebook. In this video, we'll walk you through the simple steps to control who can view this personal detail on your profile. First, open the Facebook app on your device. Once you're logged in, look for the three horizontal lines in the top right corner. This is the menu button, and tapping on it will open a list of options. Scroll down until you see Settings and Privacy, and tap on it. Then, select Settings from the next screen. Now, under the Accounts Center section, you'll find Personal Details. Tap on this option to proceed. Here, you'll see your date of birth listed. Tap on it, and then select Who can see your birthday on Facebook. This will take you to a screen where you can adjust the visibility settings. To make your birthday visible only to friends, tap on Change Visibility on Facebook. A drop-down menu will appear with options like Public, Friends, and Only Me. Choose Friends from this list. This ensures that only people you've added as friends on Facebook can see your birthday. Once you've made this selection, don't forget to save your changes. This will update your profile settings so that only friends can view your birthday. By doing this, you maintain control over who sees your personal details while still sharing them with those you trust. This method is a great way to balance privacy and social sharing on Facebook. It's easy to adjust these settings at any time if you decide to change who can see your birthday. Remember, managing your online privacy is important, and Facebook provides these tools to help you do so effectively. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more tips on managing your Facebook account and enhancing your online privacy. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.